Two website builders you've probably heard about, but here's the real showdown: which one truly makes building a site effortless? On the left, Zyro, popular for its simplicity and smart tools. And on the right, Durable, the AI-powered newcomer promising to build your website in seconds. We're putting Zyro and Durable through real tests on speed, design flexibility, pricing, features, and support, all the things you actually care about. Forget the marketing hype, we're diving straight into real experiences. Each area gets scored, and by the end you'll know exactly which builder is right for you. And trust me, the winner might not be the one you expect. Let's get started. Okay, before we get started, here, the game plan. We're gonna compare Zyro and Durable across pricing, ease of use, design and templates, AI features, performance and SEO, e-commerce and integrations, plus support and community. So if you're trying to pick the right builder for your next site, these are the things to watch. So let's talk money first, because who doesn't care about price, right? Zyro is seriously affordable. They always seem to have discounts, their intro price is super low, and you get a 14-day money-back guarantee if things don't work out. But just keep in mind the renewal rate jumps up a bit after the first term, that's how they get ya. Now, Durable does have a free plan, and it keeps things super simple with just one main pricing tier. But once you want, like, all the pro stuff, it's definitely pricier, and you don't get a domain included if you're on the free plan. Bottom line, Zyro takes the win here for being friendlier on your wallet. Next up, ease of use. Zyro is fine. It's got this drag-and-drop thing going on with templates that won't confuse anyone, even if you're a total beginner. Downside, if you want to get fancy with advanced controls, you might hit a wall. But Durable just whips out the AI and does everything for you. Pop in some basic info and boom, a site shows up, no coding or setup at all. It's kinda wild. The flip side is the AI decides a lot, so you don't always get to tweak every little thing. Still, for pure ease, Durable just edges this one out. Alright, what about the look and feel? Zyro actually has a pretty big template library, lots of modern options, and they're responsive right out of the box. That's awesome. That said, changing templates later can wipe your content, so don't do that lightly. Over to Durable, the layouts are clean and businessy, and the AI tries to suggest what fits your vibe. But honestly, you just don't get the same variety as you do on Zyro. So if design choices matter, Zyro's definitely ahead here. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know that Durable promises you a complete website in just 30 seconds? That's their big claim to fame. Wild, right? Now onto the AI stuff. Zyro brings some handy AI tools. You get an AI writer and even a logo generator, but honestly it feels like these are extra features, not the main attraction. Durable is just built for AI. You give it a prompt and it pumps out an entire website for you. Plus, there are some neat business tools that just pop up automatically. The downside? Sometimes you wish you could tell the AI what not to do, but it's a bit limited there. Still, Durable clearly wins the AI round. Let's shift gears to performance and SEO. Zyro's no slouch with fast load times and all the basic SEO tools you'd expect. If you want more hardcore SEO stuff though, that's where things get thin. Durable whips out super quick hosting with analytics built right in, pretty handy, but their SEO is like barebones, not tons of manual control. Honestly, neither of these crushes it here, so I'll call it a tie. Alright, if you want to sell stuff or connect other tools, listen up. Zyro is ready for stores. You've got a built-in shop, digital products, payments, all the good starter features. Just know that to get some advanced tools, you'll pay extra. Now, Durable, you can send invoices and manage your contacts, but as for a full-blown store, not happening. So if e-commerce is a priority, Zyro definitely runs away with this one. Last but not least, support and community. Zyro has 24/7 live chat, and honestly, their help docs are pretty deep. Sometimes you might wait a bit for answers, but you will get help. Durable starting guides are simple, and if you're paying, support replies are fast, but their community is still small and advanced support is limited. So Zyro's ahead again on this, especially if you think you'll need some hand-holding. Alright, let's take a step back and look at how it all breaks down. Zyro leads on pricing, design, e-commerce, and support, while Durable shines with ease of use and AI features. Performance and SEO. Honestly, it's too close to call, so if you're keeping score, it's pretty clear where each one has its thing. So here's my honest take. Zyro is the go-to for folks on a budget who want a good range of designs and all the basics covered. But if you need a site, like yesterday, or you love the idea of AI just spitting it out for you, Durable is the one you should check out. Both are solid, but they suit different kinds of users. If this kind of fast website showdown is your jam, stick around, we've got more head-to-head reviews coming soon.